Hello again, grade 4 5s. Here we are, another day of math. So we focused yesterday on multiplying two-digit numbers by one digit. So we are going to build on that, and we are going to be multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Okay. So I've made this chart here with step by step, and then we will do some examples. Okay, so first step, just like we do when we're doing it by one digit, 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so we have the 4 here. Then we go over. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so we have 34. That's multiplying the two digits by the one digit. Now, when we have two digits, it's important that and this is a very, very important step. This could completely change your answer. So we have to add 0. Why do we add 0 here? It's not just for fun. It means something. It's because this is in the tens column. So this is actually 20. That number represents 20, not just 2. So we have to put the 0 there, okay? So we start from this side now. So instead of going straight up like we do the first time and then over, when you do the second column, you go over and then up. So we have our 34, we have our 0, and now 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6. So once we add them all together, oh, I jumped a step. So once we add them all together, we will have our final answer. So let's do that together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. So we do that here. And 6 plus the 1 is 7. So our answer is 714. Okay? Let's do a couple more examples. And again, this might be review for some people who really love their math and who practice on their spare time. And maybe for some grade 5s who may have touched on this a little bit last year. All right, here we go. So, go up. 1 times 4 is 4. Go over. 1 times 2 is 2. Add the 0. Start over here. Go over. 3 times 4 is 4, 8, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So you have to do the same thing. And then you go up. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus the 1 is 7. And then your final stage, you add everything together, and there is your final answer. Okay, go a little bit quicker. 6 times 3, 6, 12, 18. 6 times 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, and then we add our 0, because then we're starting from here. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10, plus the 1 is 11. So we're going to do 8, 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then the 1. Big number, 1,468. Okay, here we go again. 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18 over 2 times 4 is 8 plus the 1, 9. Okay, then we have to add our 0 because we're starting from this side. 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. So we add all together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. And then 4 plus the 1 is 5. Okay. Almost done. A few more. 53 times 31. So up. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, we're going to add our 0. So we're starting from this side. Over. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. We're going to add that all together. 5 plus 9 is 14. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then the 1. 1,643. 45 times 52. We go up. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus the 1 is 9. So we're going to put our 0. Because we've got to start from this side now. 5 times 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then up. 4 times 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. Plus the 2 is 22. So we get to keep that 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus the 1 is 3. And then the 2. One thing I want to say about this, be very careful. I'm using 2 different color markers. That will not happen if you're using a pencil. So it can be confusing when you have a number here. So just be sure that you're adding the right one, okay? If you get a question that requires that. So last one, 67 times 13. 3 times 7 is 7, 14, 21. 3 times 6 is 6, 12, 18. And then we're going to put our 0, because we're starting here. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. Writing that together, 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 7 is 15. And 6 plus 1 is 7, plus the 1 is 8. Okay? Okay, I hope that helps. Adding 2 digits, multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. I look forward to hearing your answers. And if you are having problems, difficulty, still a little bit confused, please let me know in your response and maybe I can go through it again. Have a nice day, everyone.